You searched how to buy shares of KION Group. This video will walk through that process step by step. KION Group is a major maker of forklifts and warehouse automation listed on Xetra under the ticker KGX.DE, and this is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy KGX.DE, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar to find the stock by entering the ticker KGX.DE. Select the result that matches KION Group on Xetra to make sure you have the correct listing. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and see a price chart for KGX.DE. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock before proceeding. Tap Invest or Trade to start a purchase. Choose the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm your order before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next session, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the trade. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for the link to the example broker if you want to follow the same steps.